April ni som paruk sang ni som ni pali ania hingka hain puang meka United States lampang in Strait of Hormuz an bloka hetiang ni mek lai hian hei Iran lampang hian in missile an ka chhuahna tur lei an lo lai le to niin CNN lampang hian an report a wayon lampang hian an report boka heng hi enge omzia kan te kan re kang ati chuan in Pakistan lampang poi Iran an lo va phei ani oma United States atang in message an kenga chu Iranians ho lo va shil an tumani heng te kan reaction ma in ai kan shil shelok cheunga Zostream Android mobile application a hian in mizo tonga le lin sa movie hmunom tak tak en tur omani ke drama Bollywood Hollywood en kim serial en kim mizo tonga le lin sa vek en tur om tin Zostream Android mobile application hi Android Smart TV a man thei boka tin he app hi mizo rama chonin pay-per-view le subscription platform in kop ma saberania kan subscribe naman milzelin account te po hi in share thei donani chuwang chonin Zostream Android mobile application hi Google Play Store atangin lo download ula he app kaltang ngei hianin mizo tonga le lin sa movie hmunom tak tak in lo en theu don ni ti kha du sak takin kan shil masa chewani olek tu da chonin kan react chanang
new satellite images, and one of them is on your screen right now, and this is Iran, and you can see that
hey satellite image tharania kan shia tur chu Indona khatinga thlenve lai khanin satellite image thar mutur hi awang em mai ani tu da chonin in ka haiden han puanga ting hianin satellite image thar mutur omle to a news lampang point an ron puanga an ron react chawele than to ani
there's earth moving equipment there digging, and they are digging for missile launchers trapped underground amid the ceasefires. Our understanding
missile launchers trapped underground the in news reporter hian in ron soya missile launcher hi helai mun vela hian in a omni in alanga amaro chu tu da hian in man thei lowina oma chu man thei siam turin Iran lampang hian in be pui an thak ni in alanga ni
from these images, front-end loaders can be seen scooping up the rubble from blocked tunnels. Now,
blocked tunnels. Hi an mani na an thuruk shim nge United States lampangina an bom awanga khang missile an ron ka chuana hmun kha khitianga leina an noti khi zona oma she chian chak om khop mai.
Keep in mind the context here, right? Yes, you're technically in the middle of a ceasefire, and it's significant that they're digging out the launchers, but also this context, which is the most recent U.S. intelligence assessment that we have, found that about half of Iran's missile launchers were still intact after a month of fighting. So,
United States intelligence lampangina an soidan chuanin Iran missile ka chhuahna achan ve hi chu tuna hianin man thei tura pe mai thei turin an la thavek ani thakhat don vel anin do hnu apokhan mo omse United States lampa hachoni thei to pan chu an ka chiat sak ve fuwa amaro chu United States intelligence atang tho chuanin khang Iranian missile launchers kha achan vevel hi chu tuna hianin ala tha a amaro chu man thei ngal chu ni chuang lowanga khi leivung in ti hianin an no phuya khi antifaya man thei tura an siamani chuanin Iran lampang hianin hei in do ngai le thut pal ta po ni se an mani lama chonin kan in ring tok le an tina ang te po kha ani ve thei mai thei ani.
Even as the President of the United States says that the war is over, the U.S. has won, that reality, of course, is important. And many of those launchers may have been buried underground, not necessarily on purpose, but by U.S. and Israeli strikes on tunnel entrances.
Okay. Tuna an missile launcher tam tak hi leinhoi hian tiang hian in phum bowin omria hi Iran lampang hian in soitong hanin an mani du wang renga tian ni long mela US na khilai mun vel a bom nuwa leina tianga achil nan kha ani du mel zo ka ni tin putram pa hian tuna hian in he indona hian in hne na kan chak to hne na kan chang to a kan chak to ani ati lai hian in tuna hian in Pakistan thok palai thok palai Pakistan atanga palai te po to na hianin Iran an thleng to ni na langa amaro chu Iran lampangin kemi Pakistan atanga palai ron kalte ina United States te thule hlan ron ke na kha Iran lampang hianin an lo no le to ni in report a ompokani a boi tha khop mai Iran lampang hianin pom se chu he indo na he chu are ve mai tur ni na langa tin United States lampang po hianin Iran pom thei lo tur thil hi anti ve de wem o ti kha zona kha om thei bokani empo chu ni se an la in rem thei lo hi a boi tha khop mai ani.
Hence the front loaders digging those out. So Kareem Sajapur is here with me. So Kareem, what do you see? You know, you look at those images, and obviously I'm just going to point out the significance that for a while, when the fighting was hot, we weren't getting fresh satellite images. Now we are looking at these. You do see the front-loading equipment by those tunnel entrances.
Hi April ni som malak dei to ni he satellite image mo voi hi April ni som paruk ani chu wang chuanin United States in an bom chun zom le ani lo phei chuanin ma an lo lan na sa to viau theya soi tong hanin Iran lampang hianin in fechewa nang mani pon an missile tam tak hi lein hnuai lama an phum rude uvek mai ani.
And we know the intelligence about the missile launchers. So what's the significance of Iran doing this right now?
So we're in this strange situation, Aaron, in that we've had this war which has been militarily devastating for Iran. Yet at the same time, we've had the most senior level contacts between America and Iran since the 1979 revolution. And when I speak to both parties, both folks in Tehran and here, it's clear that they much prefer to do a deal. I don't think anyone really wants to go back to war.
Kipa kena soidan chuanin Iran lampanga a thiante mel hriate emo enge news agency omte le helai hmun velami official te kan han ti puya kan han zo hianin heng party pahni atanga ka hriat thei chu indo chun zom ai chuan deal thatak le lamina an hlok pui ve thei tur kha khatik ang deal kha siama he indo na hi nung chona malam pan kha andu to zo ka ni tin he news reporter hianin aron soyani a omang ve thomai.
That doesn't mean we're not going to go back to war, but I think there's a sense now that the momentum could be shifting more towards a transfer from hot conflict to cold conflict.
Anin do le don ti na chu ni chuang lawa anin do to don no ti na pon ni chuang lawa ma ro chu indo burbur lam ai ma khanin tu na chuanin deal an siam thei don nge don lo ti lampanga khanin an in bei chole don ni in alang ani heng hi kan mu hi Iranian dam trucks kan le vung phur truck ni in alang ani an mani lampang hen ting hianin an ron da chuanin he tami hi Iranian front end loader hi ka hre thiam da na chuanin sap trawin an handa viau takna a ke ni mi zo ho ina kan lo hre thiam ve thei dan tura chuan an JCB ang khan ani mai lo mi tro Iranian front end loader an JCB ang ne leivung hai na tur kha ni deuh mai in ka hria ka hre thiam da na chuan mi zo pa hre thiam thei dan tur ber ni in ka hria ti chuanin hei Pakistan lampang hi an palai te hi an tirani Iran lama an va thlok lu da amaro chu soidong hanin Iran lampang hian an lo du lo ba hetinga an lo du lo po hi soidong hanin Iran chuanin du dan bik te an nei an du lo po ya om ngoi ya tin United States lampang hianin tuna hianin an block ne rem khop maya atira kha chuanin Iran lampang khan ti fu kha anin ti viau ani straight off Hormuz khatinga an lo dang bet an lo dang khamo ti chuanin atira kha chuanin an che fu ve de renga Iran po kha achan chu straight off Hormuz khatinga an block awang khanin khovel economy kha abuaya chuanin oil man te po mun sang sang khanin asan pha ani amaro chu United States lampang khanin khatinga an block kha an ron block vele ani hatianga an ron block nu phei ka chuanin Iran tan chet ngai na om to lo hrim hrim achan chu amha kha chuanin Iran ni na aphal chin long kha an chuak thei ani maya tuna chuanin Iran ni na aphal chin long te po kha an chuak thei to lo US khan engkim kha adang chat vek to ani tin news anga ka hmule dana chuanin tuna hianin oil phur long tam takin United States atanga oil lei turin United States an pan mek ni in khatiang news report kha awom bokani khatiang ani kha chuanin tuna Donald Trump pana a strategy hemi straight off Hormuz a block ve hi atifu don riu ni na langa amaro chu hi hian in re dai don lo chu a hre chuang lo wa chu wang chuanin ata tolin tila ti henin voina kan report anga naktuka update om chung kan ron report lenga khatiang kha ani tun akan ron report akan ron react thei chu video le kan in hmule theu don ni